Guys, it's Chef Splats here with another video, and we are joined with a special guest, Jake. And we're going to be making
pancakes.
Cakes in a pan.
From Auntie Jemima's Pancakes.
Shout out to her.
Yeah, shout out to her.
I don't know if she's a real person, but
I think she is.
she could be.
Okay. So you get the ovary, I'll get the materials.
What's an ovary?
That tells you like what we're gonna be doing.
We're going to be making pancakes.
With what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using pancake mix, a bowl, some water. He's reading instructions.
Caliente la sartén a fuego medio bajo o en la parrilla electrico a 375 F.
Oh, he's reading the Spanish instructions, I think. I hope. Okay, so what we're gonna need to do is open this. How do you open this? Best before. So clearly you're gonna want to rip this open. How would you try opening this? Here you go. Oh. Whiskey. That's her last night with spoons.
Splats cannot do this.
You know, we're gonna cut the video here. We're gonna see you
Guys,
later.
we're back after about 10 minutes of trying to open this thing.
Eventually, we use some
And-
scissors, and we also use
That thing.
a hole punch.
And I don't know what we're gonna do now.
Now we have to pour some of the mix in, but you have to get it certified first. There, now it's certified. Okay, so pour some
Hold on
in.
1 second, the squirrel's back.
Oh yeah, the squirrels. It already has bread, Jackson. We don't need to give him more bread.
Oh, but there's another one.
Oh, who cares about Lincoln?
Oh, Abraham's in the tree.
Okay, well, we have squirrels and they just left us. So, yeah, we need to pour some in. Okay, that's probably good. We could always add more. So it should be about that much.
How do you know?
Because I've made these before.
Oh.
Now, I'll take the camera over here, Jackson. So take the bowl over to the sink.
Pour it in?
No. So line it up with the water. And what you're going to want to do here, no, hold it down a little bit. Now, we're going to add some water. There. So lift it up and I'll show the camera. Take it out of the sink, bring it over. Okay. And it should look like this.
Ooh. Very edible and delicious.
Yeah, it should look like some oopy goopy stuff.
Let me whisk it.
Yeah, and then you start whisking. And you can always add more water or more mix.
Splats doesn't like that.
As you can
Splats
see,
noise.
it is very dry, so we need more water.
More water. More water. More water. More water.
More spoons.
Spoons.
How about you ask them a question? Ask them a question of the day. Let's do that. A cooking question of the day.
What is your favorite breakfast food?
So there's your cooking.
Comment down below. Comment down below. What's your favorite breakfast food?
Yeah, down there.
Right down there. Comment that. Your favorite breakfast food. Right down there.
And
Right down below. Comment your favorite breakfast food. Please and thank you.
And you could also suggest new foods that Chef Splats should try.
Comment suggestions for new cooking videos down below. Down below.
All right, as you can see in my bowl right here, it's starting to get a little baby foodish.
It should kind of look like oatmeal.
Yeah, it looks like oatmeal, but not as gooey. Actually, this is
Sticky. Sticky oatmeal.
Yeah, it should look like sticky oatmeal. Need a little bit more flour.
Need a little bit more of the baking mix. That's not flour, Chef Jake.
Oh yeah, bacon mix.
Aunt Jemima original.
Making a very big mess with flour over here. We'll have to clean that up later.
There. Good mixing, Chef Jake.
Now Jackson gets to do, the Chef Splats gets to do the fun part.
Yes.
He gets to design the pancakes.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, when it's done, it should... Wait, no, there's pancake mix on my screen. So it should look... What does it look? Yeah, it should look like oatmeal.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now, Chef Splats and I, well, Chef Splats mainly gets to design the pancakes. So we're actually gonna need
Do I use a spoon?
I'll get you a spoon. Just don't spoon anybody. Make sure that does not fall. Do 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 do. The jumbo spoon.
It's a spoon.
It's not a spoon. Let me show you what's for. So if you have one of these at your house and you're like, Jackson, who doesn't know? You put your thing in there and it gets all the dirtiness in here, not on your stove. There. So now, Jack.
Oh, it's 10:02. When do we have to be at the game? 11:45, right?
Yeah. So now we're gonna design the pancakes. So do it down here. Actually, wait. Don't do it yet. Put it back. You have to, of course, I almost forgot. You gotta get your Pam out. Okay, you do that. Okay, we're good. Get your official Pam, and before Chef Splats puts the thing on, it should look bubbly like this, like soap was on it.
That's one pancake.
I generally tend to put mine on 5. Let's put one back here. Yep. Usually they should be round, but I don't know what went wrong with these ones. They look like little oatmeal cookies. You can put one down here too.
I spilled some.
So that's what they basically look like. It's oatmeal cookies. That went horribly wrong.
Thinking.
See at the window? Oh yeah. Hey. Okay, so then what you're gonna want to do next is you're going to want to get your spatula, and when they are good, you want to flip them. See you when they're good. Okay, we're back, and we're going to be flipping the pancakes now.
Flip.
Yeah, flippy.
We're also going to be making custom drinks.
I don't think we are, Jackson.
That's a shame.
So we have one flipped. We'll show you what they look like when they're flipped. Because if you don't know how to flip a pancake, you shouldn't even be watching this video.
These are gonna be like really undercooked.
Oh gosh.
Oh no! Look at.
It's fine. You won't get salmonella from them. So that's what they should look like when they're flipped.
They're really thick, so it's probably not even gonna be like cooked in the middle. It's gonna be like a hot pocket.
I'll be back when they're done. Okay.
Alright, start the video.
It just started. Okay, now the pancakes are ready. I think. Should look like that on the bottom.
We have very like wide pancakes.
Yeah, they look like oatmeal cookies.
So then you're gonna want to take your pancake.
And you're gonna want to put it on your big red plate if you do not drop it.
And if you have a big red plate, that one too.
Yeah. Well, first this one first, because this one. You get your second one. Drop.
Third one.
Misses.
I caught that.
And you throw it at your chef.
Hands burn. Really hot. We make more?
Yeah. And now we make more and you repeat the process over and over. We'll be back for a taste test soon. I just want to end the video in 1 minute. Okay, so we're back with our taste test. And the last pancakes, we just had one because we got really hungry while we were making them. But these ones, you look inside them. Look inside, it's perfect. It's very uncooked. So, the other ones I had were good.
They were very yummy.
Sticky fast salmonella. So get your test pancake,
Which one's oh,
the biscuit one.
I'll have. Get a good little.
You need a good piece, a little smell thing.
It's real nice. Add a little bit of syrup to it, you know. Really bring out the flavor. As you can see.
Salmonella fingers.
And then.
A little burnt because I put it on high.
Tastes burnt. But
It's
it
burnt.
tastes good.
It tastes like glass.
Tastes like burnt glass.
And it's all very uncooked. But the last one, I would pancake again. Wait. This is what they're not supposed to look like.
This is what they are supposed to look like. Brown.
Golden brown.
Mine is really burnt.
Charcoal. But would pancake again.